So, ito yung entrance. And then, that is your patio stuff. Ayan, ang floor, carpet. This is the living room, dining, open floor plan siya. This is your kitchen. Stove. Madami namang cabinets. You have your microwave. The refrigerator, they will replace it. You have your dishwasher, double sinks. And the window!
King of the road, trailer for sailoring. That trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for sailoring. Give.
There you have it. May ceiling fan for your living room. Pwedeng doon ang living room mo. Dito ang dining mo. And then, this is your balcony. You have your balcony. And then, let's go to the second bedroom, kasi wala tong ensuite. So, ito yung second bed. May robe siya dyan. Yung closet niya. Wow! Malaki din ang closet. And then, this is the central bathroom. Central. Laundry closet with washer and dryer. This is the master suite. May kasamang ganito. May ceiling fan. May ceiling fan din ba dun sa second bedroom? Love, nakita mo. Carpet floors na siya, guys. And, hello! So, yan. Wow! His and hers. Dalawa ang closet. Hindi siya walk-in, pero dalawa ang robe. Wow! Double sink. Double vanity. Wow! Dalawa! Alam na this. And dito ang tub and shower. And the toilet. Pwede tayo maglagay ng tables and chair. Si Sylph, pwede dito. Wow, may ganito na. What is this, love? Ah, tambakan. O, di ba may ganito tayo, love? May view ka, oh. Ito yung view mo, guys. So, may complete privacy ka. Wala kang katabi sa kabilang side. Yung iba naglalagay ata ng takip para hindi nakikita yung kapitbahay. Pero dito, you don't need to do that. Kasi nga, and this one's working, right?
Oh, yeah. You can turn on the switch on the light, please.
So it's selected.
Oh,
yeah.
I will not do that. Okay.
Don't make it.
Oh, merong fireplace.
Yes, the gas stove.
So, merong in-unit laundry, but meron ding public laundry. Sabi nung agent, dito mo daw labhan mga shoes mo, beddings, and then pag may pet ka, kasi nga, mas malaki ito, tsaka public. Walang tao ngayon dito. Siguro,
Saturday, umaga.
or yung iba, katulad ni Jowin, bumibili ng ibang appliances. Pero ba't naman namin gagawin yun? Kita namin sa inyo sunod yung swimming pool. May 3 daw swimming pool dito sa complex. Pero ito yung pinaka hindi matao. Since, hindi ko alam. Ito yung pinakamalapit sa amin. Wala pang 1 minuto.
Ano ka lang?
Bawal, love. Ayan yung pool, guys.
May gym ba dito?
Ayun, hindi natin natanong. Tingnan na lang natin sa website. Ang ganda ng pool, walang tao. Para ka nagbabakasyon lang. At merong jacuzzi. And then, ito yung parking. Ganda ng paligid, guys. Neighborhood na neighborhood. Na maganda. Na pang... Yeah. Hindi ko ma-explain. So, etong open parking, yan yung para sa public use. So, pag may guest ka. Pero yung mga unit renters and owners, meron silang assigned parking. Doon daw si Jojo. Tingnan natin. If ever dito kami titira, ayun yung parking slot namin. Iba yung nakalagay na number, pero dito daw. So, almost nasa gilid na siya, pero yan. Pangalawa sa gilid. Ito yung bahay-bahayan type. Tas apartment, diba gusto natin apartment? Yung mga napapanood natin.
Ba't yung mga pupunta mga condo na?
Hindi naman lahat, love. Sinasabi ko lang, nakita ko sa picture, para sa akin, ito yung homey. Anyway, so, maaga pa, love. Dito ang tapunan ng basura. Nakita nyo, may naririnig kang ibon, pwede kang mag-jogging. This is so amazing. Well, tingnan natin if this is for us. Maganda dito, hindi na kailangan mamblema ng asawa ko sa parking. Hindi niya na kailangan gumising in the middle of his sleep para lang magbayad ng parking. Or mamblema na, shucks, walang parking. Kasi meron na siyang kasamang parking. Tapos, walang HOA fee dito. So, libre ang paggamit ng common facilities. Si property owner ang magbabayad nun. So, ang babayaran mo lang is yung, magkano lang? 2.7?
2.725.
Yeah, yun lang babayaran mo. And your, syempre, utilities. So, let's go. Ito lang naman yung drive way papunta sa neighborhood na yun. Muna kami. Yes. Hindi mo na ginagamit tong camera mo.
Nung hindi ginagamit, busy ako, teka lang. Hindi pa nga nabablog yung aso ko.
Well, madami pa naman din siyang backup na videos. Pero, susunod-sunurin kasi yun nila isa eh. Pag nakarating na kami dun sa na-upload niya na yung Anza Borrego, wala na siyang kasunod, guys. So, dun ko siya papanikin. Wala ka ng kasunod.
Wala na ba?
Pero yung Anza Borrego, since mahaba yun, 3 vlog yun. Kasi maiksi ka mag-vlog eh. Sa Chowking kami. Alam nyo ba, hindi kami sinipot nung pangalawang appointment namin. Asian leasing agent. But, hindi ko alam na ganun dito. Akala ko pa,
First time mo ganun dito.
nung natutulog, hindi ko nga alam na ganun dito. Nung natutulog si Jojo sa sasakyan, papanik na yung utak ko kasi 10 minutes na lang, hindi pa rin nagsumasagot. Pero 30 minutes nandun na kami sa labas ng complex. Gated kasi siya, di ka makakasal. Kasi iniisip ko na paano ko i-explain kay Jojo na hindi nagre-reply.
Kasi lang.
So yun, tapos ginising ko si Jojo after 10 minutes. 10 minutes after 11. Tapos sabi niya lang, pag 5 minutes wala palis na tayo. Pero gumising na din naman siya. Tapos umalis na kami. Tapos nung nandito na kami sa Chowking, sabay tumawag. Tapos ang sabi niya, parang, gusto niya, nandyan pa ba kayo? Tapos sabi ko, umalis na kami, magla-lunch lang kami, ganyan. Umalis na kayo. Sige, bye-bye. So, yun. So, meron ako isang message pa na isa, pamalit doon. Pero, siksikan din yung schedule namin. Tapos ngayon kakain pa kami. Diba, pupunta pa kami sa Navy Fed. Tapos alauna, meron kami pupuntahan sa Spring Valley. So, baka sakto lang din na hindi. So, andito na yung order namin. Tignan nyo. 1 entree, 2 piece agad yun na chicken. Pancit at buchi. Si Joeen, walnut, na shrimp, 2 piece chicken, and that's it. Oh my gosh, and may siomai pa. Let's wait for it. Shrimp. Oh. Okay, ang una ko masasabi, dahil favorite ko ang pancit canton ng Chowking, hindi niya kalasa ang sa Philippines.
Diba?
Alam niyo yan, ang pancit canton ng Chowking sa Philippines, lasang-lasa mo yung kawali. Wok style ang tawag. Ano lang?
Yung bawal.
Guys, walang gay dito.
Wala.
Kaya daming Pinoy. Daming Pinoy.
Pwede pinagano.
Yeah. Actually. Nandito na kami sa second stop. Nasa leasing center kami. This is Lakeview Village Apartment Homes. Ang schedule namin ay 1:05 na. Tingnan natin ang issue ng property. So, nandito na tayo sa leasing center nila. Tingnan niyo yung itsura. Social. Pero, 2,899 per month dito. May pang lawn tennis court. Hintayin lang natin yung magtutour sa amin.
Because this is the tax property. Here's different than the number on your door for security reasons. I hear a lot of military here. They say that we are far enough from the base. We're coming in.
Wow!
Okay.
This is the living room. Over here.
Go ahead and go out here, honey. You can see.
Ah.
To the right.
Oh, it's far. It's
This is something that you probably like. And over here. Oh, storage. Put all my tools. Yeah. We have shelves in our
may patio ka dito. Tingnan nyo. Picture myself.
16 cabinets in the kitchen plus a pantry. The only thing we do not have is a microwave. So you will need to run a microwave.
Tiny.
But stainless steel appliances.
May breakfast bar.
Tons of space. We do have a snack or a drink. Washer and dryer right here inside your apartment. Full size. Yes.
Wow.
More room up here.
No microwave though.
This is what you need. Linen closet for your sheets and towels.
Yes. Oh wow.
Okay.
That's
your AC.
storage. Full
Smaller
washer and
2 bedrooms.
dryer.
This one, if you go ahead and go in, you'll see it's not small.
Oh.
Very unique thing about that room, if you knock on all the walls, nobody's knocking back because it's all you. Nobody's there. Go ahead and look in here. You have the drawers actually do work. That's a ladies' thing, so we like to put things in. And then underneath,
Yes.
more room.
Okay.
Big mirror.
It's spacious.
It is. It is. Scary.
Oh.
I know. This is the master.
The master.
This is the 2-bedroom, 2-bath. So if you want to get the walk-in closet, extra bathroom, that's what it would look like. If you
Wow.
decide to go with just 2-bedroom, 1-bath, you're going to lose both of those. Yeah, you'll get a closet straight across the wall.
Oh.
Have the shower and the master. If you decide to go with the 2-bedroom, 2-bath, that's no. 2-bedroom, 1-bath.
Stand-up shower only.
You're going to lose both of that, but you will have a long closet. You'll have a full length of that wall in the closet, and it's up and down. You can hang. We eat in the living room, sitting watching TV. Yeah! See how it's set up for entertaining? So that if you're in here, you don't have to be away from everybody
Yeah. So, ito yung swimming pool. As you can see. Ayan lang. Tapos doon yung fitness center. That's it. And we are going na. And may business center din doon. Super spacious. With the aircon. That is the dining. Kita nyo? Ang ganda. Ang luwag din. Kitchen. Wow. So, you have madaming cabinets. And then you have your 4 burners. And then may window. And ang ref. May space pa dito for the laundry. You have the laundry. Meron ka ding deck. So, you have your hallway. Linen closet. Guest bath. Yan ang ating guest bath. Shower and tub. With your vanity and malaking mirror. Here is the guest bedroom na may malaki ding closet. Ganito siya ka-spacious. Here is the bathroom. Try to open it. That is the bathroom. Kaya lang daanan siya. So, kung dito kami, dapat lagi lang close yan or may curtain kami. And then, walk-in closet! Can you see the walk-in closet? Ang spacious din.
Wala bang kayo dito?
Why?
Bawal dogs. Ano, 3 PSA?
So, ano to? Ligwak. Ligwak ganun.
Oo nga.
Let's go. At they have elevator.
Hindi po.
Jacuzzi. And the grill is your foyer.
Corner lot po tayo.
You have your parking and then aakit ka sa taas. Tadan! It's so luwag. Oh gosh. Ang ganda, love. Oh, tingnan mo. Okay, dito muna tayo. This is your dining and that's your kitchen. Dining. Kitchen. 2 sinks, cabinets, necessary appliances. That's your deck. This is your living room with fireplace and lazy boy. And this is the hallway going to the bedrooms. Daming linen closet. Shower tub. Linen closet. Wow, look at that! Ganting masaya! Cover ceiling! Ang taas! Yes! Wow! Ito yung guest bedroom, guys. Punta tayo sa master. Oh, may ganito ang master. May ceiling fan and large windows. Dito ang aking workspace. Dito ang kama namin ni Jojo. That is the remote for that one. And then, the cute vanity lang. Medicine cabinet, shower and tub. Masters, parang isang sala na, no? Tingnan nyo, guys. I like it here. Ang ano din dito, floors.
Saan yung TV? Dito lang yung TV.
Or here. Or dyan. Ang ganda. Oh, kamusta naman kayo? Ayan, pag may bisita ka. Pantry. Ang ganda.
Maliit na.
But still, may balcony ka.
Wala nga naiwan na. Ano?
Maganda to. Itong pangalawa namin pinuntahan for today's video. Ang ganda, bahay na bahay siya. Ang ganda na. Oo, nasa loob ka ng ano, apartment village. Ayan yung labas. Oh. Yung ceiling, lalo sa kwarto. Yung master bedroom, masters nito, ang laki. So, yan. Meron kami hanggang alas 2 dito. 15 minutes na lang. Pakita ko sa inyo yung garage. Alam mo, pag darating na si Joey kasi, yan. Ito yung garage. Pakita ko sa inyo. Foyer. Tingnan nyo. Dito na magpa-park. Hoy, ito pala ang laundry namin. Full-size washer and dryer. Ang Tesla namin nakapark sa susunod.
Hindi kasha dito.
Ha? Ano ba tingin mo sa mga sasakyan?
Pumasok ko dito, may sarili tayong ano eh. Sino yung park?
Oh, diba?
Sino yung bisita natin? May tropa ka dito.
Malay mo, magkabisita tayo. Dumalaw. Ano masasabi mo?
Okay.
Ba't ganun yung mata mo? Parang weird. Meron kaming prospect. Maganda din naman yung kanina namin eh. Pa-applyan na lang namin to. Kasi ito, pwede dito ang dog talaga na pet. Let's go. Uwi na kami. Ganito pala yung sa ano. Alam nyo ba, kaya self-viewing dito kasi binigyan lang kami ng access sa key box. May ganito oh. Screen door. Red door. Ang ganda ng paligid. Ang hangin. Swerte niya oh. Meron siyang sarado kasi. So, kanya yan. Yung part na yan. So, pwede namin angkinin. Wala. Ito lang. Pot plants lang kaming dalawa. Ito yan. Yung halaman na yan. Pero ito na ang parking namin. Hindi na si Jojo maghahanap ng parking everyday ng buhay niya. Kaon kami. Cute, diba? Nagla-lunch kami dito. Kasi maaga kami masyado para sa next appointment namin. namin. Giniling na baka na merong potato, green peas, and corn. Tapos may tokwa na nabitin. Kasi dapat lulutuin biglang hindi na lang pala. Pero nasalang na. Ganun ako mag-decision. Lumpia wrapper na walang laman. Sarap, love! Alam nyo guys, hindi talaga madali maghanap ng lilipatang apartment dito. Pero dahil magkasama kaming dalawa, feeling ko, lagi lang kaming nagde-date every time na maghahanap kami. So, yun. This is your parking. Unit A.
Okay.
Wow! This is the appliances.
How much is this one? $100. I check it off.
Cabinet. Dining. You have that. It's super duper spacious. And meron ang tapos nandito. And then this way, you have your linen closet. Yes, bath. Tub shower. Vanity. Yeah.
And the deposit for 2 bedrooms is only $500.
Oh, this is the guest bedroom with your closet. Mas malaki ata to. Isa doon. Oh, di ba? Pero dalawa pa din closet mo. Isang mahaba ang closet mo.
Nangyayari yan dito yung bed.
Hindi. Tapos tingnan mo naman dito, ang hirap. Stand-up shower. This is our third property. Mas maluwag to. Mas maluwag. Guys, this is the swimming pool. May mga manonood nga lang tayo. Uy, 6 feet to, love. Mas malalim kaysa dun sa condo. Daming lounging chair, oh. May access ka dyan, guys. Sa swimming pool. And then, the fitness center. Pwedeng mag-gym. Hoy! Mag-gym ka na?
Yeah, gym naman ako.
Sinasabi niya lang yan kasi may video. Pinuntahan namin ngayon pangatlo.
Sana, Lord.
Tignan natin kung saan kami ilalagay. Pero maganda din dito. Tsaka para siyang village na medyo tahimik. Tapos wala akong nakikita naglalakad-lakad. Ito yung American neighborhood. Ito rin yung security door na yun. Diyan kami, guys. Ay, saya! Dito yan sa lamesa. Ay, wala pala sa bio.
Ay, sabi may labasan ng dalawa.
Yup.
Sailor